Good day, grades. Today I would like to discuss about the some key point of success which are essentially required to get achieve something great in our life. First thing is that if you want to get yourself succeeded in your life, then there must be a burning desire. There must be a burning desire within you, inside you. Without having burning desire, you cannot get yourself succeeded in your life. Nothing can be done. You must have to be you must have had to be had burning desire within you. In absence of burning desire, nothing can be achieved. You would have to have at any cost a burning desire inside you, within you. So we would like to discuss, we would like to know about the meaning of abstract meaning of burning desire. Abstract meaning of burning desire is that a desire without fulfilling it, we cannot live in this world. We would have to get it fulfilled at any cost to get ourselves succeeded in our life. This is the meaning of burning desire. But there must be some burnout in ourselves. It's our inner force which would like to motivate us to achieve something great. Second point is that we have heard many times that due to some hurdles, due to some obstacles, I couldn't achieve my goal. If they had not been, then I could have achieved my goals. But due to some hurdles, due to some obstacles, it had not been possible for me. We have heard many times by many persons. But as far as I am concerned, I would like to state something great, that obstacles are power generators. Obstacles are power generators. Obstacles are power generators of success. The greater obstacle, the greater success. If we are having obstacles in our life, then we must thank you to God. Then we must give thanks to God that you have given some obstacles, hurdles in my life to get me succeeded. Means we must be grateful for the God to have hurdles, obstacles in our life, because the greater obstacles, the greater success. Third thing is that if you want to achieve something great in our life, or we are having some options, then we must be assumed for ourselves nothing is going to be happen in our life, because we have options. There must not be any type of option if we have targeted something, if we have aimed something, there must not be any type of options. Options get you diverted from your goal, from your target. So if you want to get yourself succeeded in your life, and if you want to achieve something great in your life, then first you would have to delete your your options. You would have to delete your options. Third thing is that if you want to rule minds, then don't raise your voice. Improve your argument. If you want to get yourself considered as a leading person, then there must be some logic, content, fact in your speech. There must be some points in your speech. You don't have to express your views. You would have to express your point of views. There must much difference between explain or express. When you are going to explain something, It means just you have explained your views to the another person, but not transmitted as it is. But if you have expressed yourself to the another person, it means you have transmitted everything as it is, as it is form. Nothing remains. This is the meaning of explain or express. So, if you want to get yourself considered as a leading person, then there must be some burning desire. There must not be any type of option, or you must have to head, or you must have to be expressed your point of views, or obstacles are very much required to get you succeeded in your life. So be focused on your obstacles. Be focused. What have you determined for which you have devoted your life? You have to be focused. Then you can achieve. Delete option. Receive obstacles. Express yourself. And mostly required thing is that you must have burning desire inside you, within you, to get yourself succeeded in your life. This is the meaning of success. Make your own path. अपने निज पथ को राजपथ में बदल दो. अपने निज पथ को राजपथ में बदल दो. जिस जगह आप विराजते हो उसी को सिंहासन बना दो. जाओ फॉरएवर.